Girl, what's up? What you doing? In the bathroom? What's up with you? I got some BS to tell you. Ooh, what happened now? Guess who had the mitigated gall to show up last night uninvited? Who? Troy. You mean unmitigated, right? What? Girl, I didn't call for a vocabulary lesson. Oh, so you want to use words incorrectly on purpose? Fine, go ahead with your little lesson. Okay, so boom. Mitigated gall refers to brazen boldness that's been lessened in its intensity, so it's less extreme. While unmitigated gall implies a complete and total lack of shame or constraint in a person's rude behavior. You get? Uh, ugh, girl, can you break that down differently? I didn't quite get that. So it's like saying Troy had balls for showing up and invited, but they weren't that big. Versus Troy balls was big as hell for pulling up and his ass wasn't invited. You get it? Oh, that hit different. That makes sense. Thank you, friend. You're welcome. Oop, Troy calling me. I gotta go.